It was around 3 p.m. when a lot of youths, they came here having bangas, rungus, and they were making a lot of noise. And the worst thing was that they were saying that they want to raid this place. It was very unfortunate, even for the children of this house. They are very traumatized because of the noises that they have never heard. But the good thing is that the area chief also responded very well, and later the police came here. But I only urge the security department, something like this is not under the domain of the MCA. It is under the national government, which is the MP and above.
It took the intervention of the villagers and the police to disperse the rowdy youth, and some of them are adults. It's unfortunate because you can see that house was destroyed, the window, where the animals are was also destroyed. I'm even told my kids were up there, the store. They were hiding because these people came with machetes, the pangas and some rungus, over nothing. One, they were claiming they came here for lunch, but you know you cannot come 3 kilometers away for lunch. So this was an unexpected incident, but I want to thank the community. One youth was arrested who is now helping the police with further investigation. I was here when he gave a list of youth who stormed my place from that place. It is an unfortunate incident because the murder of that village elder has nothing to do with me. I in fact called the police to respond to that incident, and the police were very swift. And also this one now informs the state that some of us, without security, our lives are in danger. You know, I do not have a bodyguard or whoever is guarding my place. You can imagine, I have these small kids. My girl was up there. The mother was hiding because these people came in numbers. This is an insecurity. And I know of MCAs who've been murdered. One from Kakamega who was killed by a mob. So suppose I was here and they came with pangas. It means my life was going to be in danger. So I think this is something that the state ought to take seriously, because this is an incident that should not happen anywhere, not even to me, but to any other member of county assembly.